Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I am going to show you on how to fix settings apps tapping on Android. Now, if you opened your settings and if you're having trouble opening it or it's tapping, maybe you have a problem to your device, okay? So the first thing that you should do is to restart your phone by pressing and hold the power button of your phone. Okay, so when you do that and then turn on your phone again, then go to your phone settings, then you'll be able to open your settings. But if it's still not gonna work, the second thing that you can do is to um check for an update, okay, of your device. You can see this in the notification at the top corner of your screen. So you just have to slide down from the top corner. You'll be able to see a notification that you'll need to update your device. So you just have to do that, okay, like the one in the screen. But if it's still not gonna work, the last thing that you can do is to reset your phone, okay? You can do this manually or you can go to an expert or someone that has the skills to fix your phone. Okay? So, that's the thing that you can do for now. So, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorial in the future. Bye-bye.